Hello everyone. The GAMMT EX8 has been on the market for a few months now, and some customers urgently need replacement parts. So today, let me show you how to disassemble the GAMEMT EX8. First, you will need to prepare a card and a Phillips screwdriver. Next, turn off the power and remove the memory card. Use your fingernail to pry open the top edge of the console from the center, being careful not to drop the button components. Remove the 3 screws in the middle of the top. Insert the card into the gap between the bottom cover and the screen, and gently slide it to the left to pry open the left screen latch. Next, slide to the right and pry open the latch on the zip code screen. At this point, the screen has been opened. Remove the fallen button components promptly. There's also a crucial ribbon cable connecting the screen and the motherboard. We need to carefully disconnect it from the motherboard. Gently pry open the ribbon cable clips with your fingernail. At this point, the screen and motherboard have separated. Unscrew all the screws on the motherboard. Pry open the ribbon cable clip connecting the R2 motherboard and remove the R2 motherboard. Disconnect the power and volume button cables. Unplug the 2 speaker cables. Disconnect the battery cable. Pry open the antenna. At this point, the motherboard has been completely removed. Take out the joystick. How to remove the L1, R1, L2, R2 buttons. First, pry the buttons outwards. Then use your fingernail to support the fixing post and pull upwards with a little force. Okay, that's all for this video. The next video will show you how to reassemble the disassembled parts. Thank you at Roya Bela.